Hello. Oops, it came a little too close. Hi, I'm Stephen Watson here at Someday Farm with today's Tàijíquán Tip. So thank you very much. This one would apply to any martial art, although it's a Tàijíquán Tip, but have a go at it, whatever your art is. Maybe it's Krav Maga or Ishin Ryu or Dong Bei Chuan or Taekwondo. But the idea here is to open yourself to some new insight or understanding about the culture of the place that your art stems from. This could be your own this could be your own culture, right? You could be studying like Western boxing and you're an American. And so the idea is to pick up a book, interview an old timer, go to the historical society, find a way to come into some deeper understanding of the culture, right? The petri dish in which your martial art grew. And perhaps it's a little more specific than that, and you try and figure out how what you can learn about the culture is reflected in the art, or how what you can learn about the culture is borne out by the art, or how what you can learn in the culture drove the art and its growth, right? So it doesn't have to mean that you become a PhD in that civilization and that culture. And maybe it's that culture at a certain kind of era, not the whole culture sort of en toto, but in an era. But we'd like to broaden our understanding of the art. And the art cannot exist without a culture. It cannot exist without some language. It cannot exist, without us. So, not to put too fine a point on it, but you're keeping this art alive. So, is the culture that you're participating in nutritive for this art, or um, somewhat acidic? Something to consider. So thank you, and get yourself to practicing. Now, go practice now. Nope, stop listening to me. Practice.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.